Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment Introduction to Industry 4.0 and Industrial Internet of Things. Week 6, assignment 6. So the first question is in the diagram for the manufacturing process, which unit comes immediately after the quality testing unit? So these are the option and let's check the answer of our first question. So, question first sensing for manufacturing process in IIoT, quality testing unit, product counting unit. So, the answer of our first question is C, product counting unit. Now, the second question is the analog temperature sensor LM35 generates an output voltage that is linearly proportional to what temperature scale. So these are the option Fahrenheit, Kelvin, Celsius, Rankine. So let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, the output voltage of LM35 is linearly proportional to Celsius temperature. So the answer of our second question is C, Celsius. Now the third question is the MQ2 gas sensor is specifically mentioned to detect the concentration of which gases. So these are the option and the answer of our third question is B, LPG, propane and hydrogen. Now the fourth question is what happens to the resistance of an N-type MOS sensor when it is exposed to a reducing gas. So these are the option and let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, MOS gas sensor working principle. In N-type sensors, resistance decreases and in P-type sensors, resistance increases with respect to the baseline resistance when exposed to a reducing gas. So the answer of our fourth question is B. It decreases with respect to the baseline resistance. Now the fifth question is according to the working principle of MOS gas sensors, what is the optimum temperature? So these are the option and let's check the answer of our fifth question. Question fifth, a particular temperature at which the sensor gives best response is called optimum temperature. So the answer of our fifth question is C. Now the sixth question is Modbus TCP uses which protocol suit for data transmission. So these are the option and let's check the answer of our sixth question. Question 6, it uses TCP IP and Internet Ethernet for data transmission between two compatible devices. So the answer of our sixth question is B. TCP/IP and Ethernet. Now the seventh question is what does the acronym EtherCAT stand for? So these are the option and let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seventh, Ethernet CAT control automation technology was developed by the ETG EtherCAT technology group. So the answer of our seventh question is C. Ethernet control automation technology. Now the eighth question is in the Modbus TCP data frame, what is the name of the 7-byte header that identifies the application's data unit ADU? So these are the option and let's check the answer of our eighth question. Question 8, ADU is identified by a header called MBAP. So the answer of our eighth question is C. MBAP. Now, the ninth question is which variant of CC link offers the highest transmission rate of 1 Gbps? So these are the option and let's check the answer of our ninth question. Question 9, CC link IE industrial ethernet transmission rate 1 Gbps. So the answer of our ninth question is D. Now the 10th question is Profibus is based on which international standard? So these are the option and let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10th, introduction to Profibus, it is based on the standard IEC 61158. So the answer of our 10th question is A, IEC 61158. Now the 11th question is what is the availability requirement for URLLC? So these are the option and let's check the answer of our 11th question. Question 11th, ultra reliable low latency communication availability 6 nines. So the answer of our 11th question is C. Now the 12th question is what is the end-to-end round trip latency supported by the tactile internet? So these are the option and the answer of our 12th question is B, less than 1 ms. Now the 13th question is which frequency bands are used by 5G NR? So these are the option and let's check the answer of our 13th question. So question 13th, 5G support for private network, 5G new radio NR, low band less than 1 gigahertz, middle band 1 1 to 6 gigahertz, high band greater than 24 gigahertz millimeter wave. So the answer of our 13th question is B. Now the 14th question is state true or false. The Profinet protocol handles data transmission of large packet between PLCs and PCs, as well as enable integration with the internet and internet thought in Ethernet. True or false? So the answer of our 14th question is A, true. Now the 15th question is fill in the blanks. Device net was designed by Rockwell Automation to enable communications between and. So these are the option. And let's check the answer of our 15th question. So question 15th, it links industrial sensor and actuators with high-end devices, programmable logic controllers. So the answer of our 15th question is A, PLCs field devices. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching this video.